Interest rates, 8% during the month of October. However, great news. Over the last week, we've seen interest rates decline. Unemployment, bad news, higher unemployment, good news for mortgage rates. It's a weird time right now, but we are seeing interest rates below 7% in many cases. What has that done for the market? That will be next month's Mark's Market Update, because what we're focused on right now is October of 2023. Mark Gellman, eXp Realty, St. Louis, Missouri. What the heck is happening with these 8% interest rates and what impact did they have on the market? 4 markets we cover: St. Louis County, St. Louis City, St. Charles County, and Jefferson County. We saw a lot of consistency that all of those markets, sales were year over year declines. And then again, when you look at October 23 versus, for example, October 20, you saw significant declines in most of those markets, 28% to 40% lower from October 23 to October 20. So significant decrease. Remember, we already talked about this. In 2021, 7.5 million homes sold in the United States. This year, we're projecting less than 4.5 million homes to sell in the entire United States. We are looking at unit sales down over 30%. So again, we're seeing consistent over the United States and the St. Louis market. So what is the impact in the lower sales? How is that impacting inventory levels? Increasing inventory levels in St. Louis County, increasing in St. Louis City, increasing in St. Charles County. The only county that they're decreasing active inventory is in Jefferson County, because what's happening is sales are down, but those in Jefferson County actually are taking their home off the market, while the other 3 counties are keeping their homes on the market. They're motivated to sell, but many of those are just not selling today. So what we're seeing is that there's great homes that are sitting on the market. Motivated buyers are starting to hop in and actually offer them a price that works for the buyer, a little bit different than 4, 5, 6 months ago, where the sellers had the upper hand. Now, not that it's shifted, but certainly buyers can now write with contingencies that they weren't able to do 6 months ago. Even home sale contingencies we're seeing getting done. So when you're looking at the overall market, months of inventory, something we haven't seen, is continuing to increase. For example, Jefferson County, 2.4 months of inventory. In St. Charles County, 2.1 months of inventory. What that means is months of inventory. If no new homes came on the market, it would take 2.x months for all the current homes to sell through. Still a significant seller's market, but it's changing a little bit, because remember, in Mark's Market Updates from 6, 8 months ago, less than 1 month of inventory. In many markets we serve, there was less than a couple weeks of inventory, which is just a severe seller's market. Balanced market, 6 months of inventory. So still well away from that. When you look at 2007, 8, 9, when the market was crashing, there was 15 months of inventory, just a severe buyer's market. So we're still in a severe seller's market, but it is increasing levels. Overall, when you look at prices have definitely increased from October of 23 to October of 20, but we're not seeing these big jumps throughout the months of 2023. We're actually seeing them stabilize, and in some cases, they're actually decreasing a little bit. So some of the homes we're selling today at prices totally different than what we sold in June. June of 23, when we were setting record comps for everything, those prices we just don't see today. So with that being said, we still have a strong seller's market, stable inventory levels, although they're growing a little bit. Fourth quarter, sellers are going to start taking their homes off the market. So I'm recommending, if you are a seller, keep your home on the market, or if you're considering selling, get your home on the market. There's absolutely no reason to wait. We know what's happening in today's market. What we don't know is what spring of 2024 will look like. Election year, complete political unstableness around world. The stock market is up and down, so we just don't know interest rates. A lot of things that we can't control are going to happen in the spring. So here's the thing, get your home on the market. If you're a buyer, don't be afraid to write an offer on any home that's available, even if it's well below what you think they're going to accept, because you may be surprised. There are some great opportunities for motivated sellers right now. If you have any questions about buying, selling, investing, don't hesitate to reach out to us.